Accidents happen in seconds, but lawsuits, they can drag on for months or even years. Is your business truly ready to handle that kind of fallout? From spilled drinks to uneven sidewalks, customer accidents are one of the top reasons small businesses end up in court. And it doesn't take much. One bad fall, a sprained ankle, or a damaged phone can quickly turn into a legal claim. The scary part, even if you're not at fault, you may still have to pay thousands in legal fees just to defend yourself. That's where Next Insurance comes in. Their general liability insurance protects you against claims of bodily injury or property damage caused to customers. That means if someone trips and gets hurt in your store, their medical bills could be covered. If a customer's property gets damaged, replacement or repair costs could be handled. And if a lawsuit is filed, your attorney fees could be taken care of. Next Insurance makes it easy. Their policies are clear, affordable, and designed to fit your specific business needs. You can get a quote, customize your coverage, and download proof of insurance instantly, all online, anytime, 24/7. Here's a quick tip. Prevention saves money. Keep walkways clear, fix uneven flooring, and mark hazards right away. It's the simplest way to avoid an accident before it becomes a lawsuit. Don't wait for an accident to test your luck. Protect your business now. Click the link in the description for your next insurance quote.